Hello and welcome back with a new video in Node.js tips and tricks tutorial. In this video we'll talk about read and write files using fs module in Node.js. So to start with this, it's fs module, it's built in Node.js, so we can just get instance from this module, like make const fs require and the fs module. As you see, now you can get the fs and we will use two functions from this fs. First one is read file, and you will see we have read file, it's unsynchronized, and read file sync, it's synchronized. What's the difference between two functions? The first one, if you use it and under this line of code you put, let's say, log test, and here we read file and we have to complete this line. But the idea is, if we use this function, the test will appear in on screen before finish reading, because it's not synchronized. But if we use sync function, the test will not appear on screen until the read is finishing. So that's very important thing to keep eye on it, or to watch it, or to save it in your mind. So we'll use now for read file sync. First thing, we need to put the file path, as you see, and the other thing, we need to put the option, and one of the option is encoding. Encoding, that means, because when we're reading a file, it's reading by binary 0 and 1s, and we need to set it as a character or UTF-8 to make it read everything. So we have no file to read, so let me create a new file. Let's call it fadi.txt, and inside it let's write hello, I'm Fadi, debow, I'm full stack developer. Okay, we make a new file, and inside file just write this sentence, and now we will read this file. And if you see, it's in the same level with server.js, so we just need to put the name fadi.txt, and the second one, as we see the encoding, we will say UTF-8. Okay, now he will read the file and not doing anything until the reading is finishing, because we use sync. So so that we will say const result equal to this reading file. So when he finishes the reading, the result will be in result, and we can make let another log and put result inside it. Now we can run our server JS and see what's happened. First test, he wait until reading finishing, then print test. After the print, he brings the result. What is the result? It's what we have read from this file. From this file, he found hello, I'm Fadi Diva and I'm full stack developer. Okay, this is a reading. We using fs module inside node.js. Now we need to write. So we need to write what we have read from fadi.txt inside another file. So we can do this fs.write file, and as you see, we have the same file and file async, the same idea. And we want to read a new file, let's say a new file. This is the name of the file, txt. And what we want to write inside it, we want to write results. So as you see, we don't have this file, new file.txt, but keep your eyes here, and let's run our code. First print test, and then print the result, and we have a new file created in our hierarchy. It's a new file.txt, and inside it will be the result. Result, what is the result? The result is the same of this sentence. Let's check new file, and we have the same check. So what we have doing for now, we have read from one file and rewrite the sentence in a new file using fs module, that is module built in with node.js. I hope this helpful and useful for you, and please subscribe my channel, support me to keep going with installing new video, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.